Let's bring in right now Governor Cuomo. Governor, thank you so much for being with us. You've certainly been on the forefront of governors across America, responsible, pushing forward, asking for help from the federal government, but also understanding that you're going to have to take matters into your own hand, because it's sort of like Katrina. I was on the ground in Katrina for the first 2 weeks before the federal government did anything. Anybody waiting for the government to respond to Katrina kept waiting. It seems like we're at the same place here, 15 years later, except this time it's not a hurricane, it's a pandemic.
No, you're 100% right, Joe. I said that this is the Hurricane Katrina version of a public health situation. And we are taking matters. There's all these patchwork acts by these different states. It makes no sense for me to take an action. I close bars and then people drive to New Jersey or Connecticut, my neighboring states. You need a federalized response, especially on the looming crisis. And the looming crisis is that curve that everybody talks about is not a curve. It is a wave. And the wave is going to break on the hospital system. There is no projection that says our hospital system can handle this. We need the Army Corps of Engineers in here now, retrofitting old buildings, dormitories, et cetera, for more
population. You have an op-ed out this morning, which is a call to President Trump to mobilize the military to help.
That is exactly right. And look, they say life is options. We don't have any options. Waiting to happen. We know it. The only alternative is to develop more beds, retrofit. You're not going to build anything new. Get some of the people out of the hospitals into those new medical facilities and do the best we can. It's still not going to be good. But just to be wasting day after day after day, this is nonsensical, and it cannot happen without federal resources, period.
Now, you talked about how we were both in the federal government before. A guy who was Speaker of the House that I had, I think it's safe to say, an up and down relationship with, was Newt Gingrich. Are you finding that Republicans are more willing to work with you, despite the fact that the president is still sending reckless mixed signals?
Yeah, I think what's happening, Joe, is, first of all, people are frightened. They're truly frightened. They're frightened for themselves. They're frightened for their families. And that overrides partisan loyalty, right? It's about them now. It's not about loyalty to their political party. Secondly, it's unavoidable on the facts. People know what's coming. You look at that projection. Dr. Fauci puts up that curve every day. You know that curve is going to crash, and we can't handle it. And also, I think the president is trying to show leadership, and he's trying to show leadership by calming people. And that is a responsibility of leadership. But you don't calm people unless you tell them the truth. You're not going to deceive people. You're not going to say it's all going to be fine. Take 2 aspirin and call me in the morning. So they know it's not working, and it's actually making things worse. And when the federal government then is not doing its role, and you have these broadcasts of every city, every state doing all these different things, people see pandemonium. And it is frightening. You put pandemonium on top of a pandemic, it is a bad situation.
Yeah. Caddy Kay is with us in Washington. Has a question for you, Caddy.
Governor, you've seen the pictures from Europe of countries like Italy and Spain on near total lockdown and check your paperwork. Is that where a state like New York is heading?
Yeah, I hope not, and I don't believe so. And I don't even believe you could do that in this society. But I'm going to be announcing more actions today. I closed the schools yesterday, making sure there's child care for healthcare workers, because, again, this all comes back to hospital capacity. Some of these states have closed schools. They made no capacity for child care, and now you see healthcare workers and nurses not showing up. So closing the schools, closing bars, closing restaurants, closing mass gatherings. We'll be doing more of that because right now the numbers are continuing to spike. So you have to ratchet down on the density control if you're going to get those numbers anywhere near where you can manage them in the hospital system. But for me, my priority is turning to the hospital system because that's where we're going to have a major crisis, and it's weeks away.
Governor Andrew Cuomo, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Appreciate your leadership. Coming up, the mayor of New York City, Bill de Blasio, is standing by. He joins us straight ahead. Morning Joe is back in 2 minutes.